Hello, my name is Eli Martin and I'm with the inside sales team at HLA Snow. Disconnecting an HLA snow wing from any loader or tractor is extremely simple. We have one quick disconnect electrical plug and we have two hydraulic couplers. The hydraulic couplers will be matched by your dealer to your specific loader or tractor. The electrical wire kit is for the diverter valve, which we have mounted up here on the plow as standard equipment. With that diverter valve, we can control the plow angle left and right, as well as control the left wing and the right wing of the plow independently, all using only one hydraulic circuit and the two hoses. So once you have your electrical connection disconnected and the hoses unplugged, you disconnect the blade the same as you would a loader bucket or any other attachment using the machine's power coupler for the front carrier.